gals, welcome back to Doing Redneck Things Off Grid. We're getting ready to go to the Nevada meetup. Let me get over here where I can see my face. Sporting some new shades that VA give me, so don't forget, August 24th to August 28th, Leanne and I are heading up on Sunday to try to wrangle up some camping spots for all of us. So let me show you what we got going on. We made some changes here on the homestead, so let's get to it. All right, so number one, we took out all 4 of the batteries and put in 2 brand new ones. So we got 2 new batteries for the trip, and I have the battery for the RV is disconnected because when you run on the road, the truck charges that battery that's in there. So that's that. And there's Leanne's antique wagon that her dad gave her. I wound up hooking up 2 of the new solar panels here, so we have 500 watts going into that. That's 1,000 watts, and that's running to the RV right now. And then in here, had the boys come over and they helped me out. I got 9 batteries and a Neela. That's my Neela. She's coming to see what I'm doing. So I got 9 200 amp hour batteries, which gives me 1,800 amp hours of a solar. We've been fighting the heat in here, so we brought the house fans in, and I got 2 USB port fans, and this is our new Midnight Classic 250 that we bought. And you can see, just running 2 panels, I've got 25.2 volts coming in. We got 15 amps, and the batteries are at 13.3, and our watt hours are 1.8, and when it shows we're at bulk MMP, so they're kind of running the only thing this is running right now is these 4 fans. And so I'm gonna wind up turning off all of this stuff while we're gone, because it's just too hot right now. So when we get back, we're gonna do some renovation to this room. This is the bathhouse, like a lot of you know that watch. Oh, and I put up a new rack for my Milwaukee tools, and that's the free bathtub we got. I think I showed you on that. We're gonna probably get that installed when we get back from the trip, and and then my new flag that my son got me. So that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks everybody for stopping by to Doing Redneck Things Off Grid. Oh yeah, let me get this in there. We have the motor and transmission for that now, and we're waiting for our mechanic to come and put it all in. So hopefully by bird hunting season, that'll be up and running again. So alright, that's what's going on here at Doing Redneck Things Off Grid. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Like and subscribe, and hit that dang bell button. Support your troops. That's number 1 on my book, is support your troops. They've been kind of lost in the shuffle. They're stuck over there with Captain Crazy running them, and nobody knows what's going on. They don't report what's happening over there because they're too busy worrying about smearing everybody on their new election coming up in November. That's my personal opinion. They're smearing everybody, so you can't beat them fair, cheat. You know, that's the way I see it, that they're doing it. So God bless everybody. Support your troops. Get out and vote. Let's get our country back from the Goober Squad. God bless everybody. We'll talk to you.